The three Americans were originally sentenced to death by a military court before their sentences were commuted to life in prison last week. U.S. Department of State spokesperson Tammy Bruce said, and I quote, "The three are in our custody." The repatriation comes as the U.S. and DR Congo explore a deal to exploit the Central African country's huge mineral wealth. Last week, U.S. President Donald Trump's senior advisor for Africa visited DR Congo and confirmed that the two countries were in talks about minerals and said it could involve multi-billion-dollar investments. DR Congo has large deposits of coltan and cobalt used in electronic equipment and batteries for electric cars, which are currently largely extracted by Chinese mining companies. The Congolese presidency said the transfer is part of a dynamics of strengthening judicial diplomacy and international cooperation in matters of justice and human rights between DR Congo and the US. The Americans were among 37 people sentenced to death last September by a military court. They were accused of leading an attack on both the presidential palace and the home of an ally of President Felix Tshisekedi and were convicted of criminal conspiracy, terrorism and other charges, which they denied. Uche Ugochukwu, NTA News.